everybody. Welcome to this Mailbox Minute. I've got my matcha tea. Fortified enough to start. Alright, so this feels like something soft. It's probably another mold. Let's go in carefully so I don't cut it accidentally. Because all of my molds lately, well, not all of them, most of my smaller packages have different molds. Oh, cool. So I've ordered a bunch of these because I'm working on a pet line for my store. I've got two sizes. So one is for little pad balms for their feet, for little doggy feet. And this one, so this will work for big dogs or little dogs because you know how long those last, those little lotion bars. So I'm working on a lotion bar formulation to protect the dog's feet from salt and all of those things that are coming up for the winter that might irritate them. And then maybe a little doggy shampoo bar. I don't know. Thinking. So that's why I ordered these. So this should be a lot of fun. So look forward to that series coming out here on YouTube. I'm not sure when. This is all just teasers because this came in the mail and I don't know when I'll have time to do it. Yeah, so doggy products. All right, we'll see you next time. Thank you for coming for this Mailbox Minute, and I will see you all next time. Bye.